What did they do? Oh, she crushed after you died. When you gave up your spirit with the agony inside. When they put your body into that cave. And you died for all humans. And I read the age. What did you do with that stick of dried wood? Getting by the matter of your precious dried wood. Now you show in the remains of your tail and your sweat was splintered and broken, battered and wet. Now, no use for anything. The wood is so raw, pale, beyond use, worse than not. What do you do, Lord, with your cross as you pay for the sins of all of us? After you broken and bruised as everyone saw, child, it was thrown away, for it was needed no more.